Hey everyone, if your computer uses Secure Boot, you may need to configure Vent before you can boot your ISO files successfully. Ventoy supports Secure Boot, but the first time you use it, you'll usually need to complete a one-time enrollment process. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to enable Secure Boot in Ventoy step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure you're using the latest version of Ventoy. Secure Boot support is built into modern versions of Ventoy, so updating to the latest release helps ensure the best compatibility. Next, restart your computer and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Locate the Secure Boot option and verify that it's enabled. Save your changes if you make any updates, then restart the computer. Now insert your Vent USB drive and open your computer's boot menu. Select the Ventoy USB device to start the boot process. If Secure Boot blocks Vent the first time, Vent will usually display its Secure Boot enrollment screen. Select the option to enroll the provided key, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. This is normally required only once for that computer. After the enrollment is complete, restart the computer and boot from the Vent USB drive again. Secure Boot should now allow Vent to load normally. Finally, choose the ISO file you want to boot and press Enter. I mean, if everything has been configured correctly, your operating system or recovery tool should now load while Secure Boot remains enabled. And that's how to enable Secure Boot in Ventoy. After completing the one-time key enrollment, you can continue using your Vent USB drive with Secure Boot enabled on compatible systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.